After 8 years of learning Chinese, these are the idioms I would recommend everyone to study first. 马马虎虎 meaning is so-so or careless, not very good, but not the terrible either. So the literal meaning here is horse, horse, tiger, tiger. Sounds random but expresses something done without much care. The first use case is to describe something just okay. For example, somebody asks, how was your day? And you'd say, just so-so. So this is how you reply. 你今天过得怎么样? How was your day? Just so-so. 马马虎虎. And the second use case is to describe someone doing things carelessly. He always does things carelessly. 他做事总是马马虎虎的。The second idiom here is 一见钟情. This means love at first sight. You can use it when describing romantic stories, especially quick, intense feelings at first meeting. The example here is they fell in love at the first sight and got married 3 months later. 他们是一见钟情，3个月后就结婚了。Third idiom here is 不可思议。That means unbelievable, incredible. You can use it when something is so surprising, shocking, or amazing that it is hard to imagine. This result is unbelievable. 这个结果太不可思议了。If you want to say something is perfect and flawless in every way, here is the idiom for that. 十全十美, 10 out of 10 in all aspects. So here is the example. No one is perfect. 没有人是十全十美的。The fifth idiom here is 胡说八道. That means nonsense or talking rubbish. You can use this when someone is saying something ridiculous, overly untrue, or misleading. For example, don't listen to his nonsense. 别听他胡说八道. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos.